Hey folks, hello and welcome to this YouTube channel. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to uninstall the Notepad++ in Windows 11 PC or laptop. So without any further ado, let's get started. Firstly, we need to bring up our control panel. So how? Please proceed at the button search bar and type for control panel. Now, once you have typed it, please proceed with the best match here, which is a control panel system. Click on open to continue. The moment you have to bring it up, if your view or window doesn't look like this, simply proceed at the upper right side of that. You can see their view by. You can see their category large icons and small icons. Set it into large icons. Once you're done, you need to proceed on looking for programs and features. So it might be running here or here. In my case, it is running in the first row. Okay, so you can select on it programs and features, which is next to mail. In my case, where here you need to locate for Notepad++. In my case, I don't have such, since in the first place I'm not using such because I have my Notepad already. And if I'll search it here at the button search bar, you can see that I have it here being activated or being installed in my Windows 11 PC or computer. That's why I'm not using such. But if you do, you just have to select on it. So let's say, for example, this is the Notepad++. All you need to do is you need to select on it. And at the upper side of that, you can see there an option called Organize and Install. And since we'd like to uninstall the Notepad++ program, you need to do by clicking on Uninstall. So click on it, and if your user account control would ask you to say yes, I mean, there is a tendency that it will ask you to say yes to confirm your action. Simply click on yes, and it will now start on uninstalling or removing the program. So, again, I'm just showing you an example since, as what I have said earlier, I'm not installing the Notepad++. But if you do, you need to select the Notepad++ here. Click on uninstall, and there you have it. So just simply wait until the process or procedure on the uninstallation of the program to be done. Once you're done, you can now close the window and you're good to go. Now, if you think this video helped you a lot, then don't forget to subscribe. Hit the like button as well as the bell icon to be updated for more tutorials like this. Don't forget also to leave a thumbs up, and don't forget also to leave a comment at the comment section below if you have succeeded on removing the Notepad++ program or application in your Windows 11 PC or laptop. Thank you for watching and have a good day.